How to convert Robux into real money. Now, first things first is just open up any web browser that you can use if you would like to access Roblox using the web version. Now, just head directly to roblox.com and ensure that you're fully logged into your account. Next thing you do is just to head straight to this portion right here that says create, which will take you or redirect you to creator.roblox.com. Now we will be converting out or cashing out your funds or your Robux if we will be using finances DevEx. So that's the only way on doing this method. So at the left portion of your screen, just head out to finances, then choose on DevEx. So as you can see, there are tons of requirements for you to be able to cash out your Robux balance and then convert it into real money. So minimum of 30,000 earned Robux in your account and have a verified email address, a valid DevEx portal account, which is this one right here, 13 years of age or older, and then community member in good standing, have a preferred payment method. And that is how you convert Robux into real money.